Okay, so I'm ready to start plating up my entry for the 2011 Sorcerer's Apprentice contest, celebrating the stages that worked in El Bulli. So what I've come up with is a version of cedar plank salmon. The whole dish sits on top of a little salad of asparagus fettuccine that's just been very lightly seasoned with some salt and a splash of rice wine vinegar. At the bottom of the bowl, or actually I should say on top of the asparagus, there's a salad of toasted couscous, toasted Israeli couscous, salmon roe, a little Spanish olive oil, and a Ferran style caviar of chive and dill water. It's going to be set here with the calcium bath. So the idea is that as you bite into the couscous salad, you would kind of get all these sort of different textures and flavors of something that looks like couscous. They don't look perfect. Lightly kind of toss this together for one little spoonful in the bottom of the plate. We have a little colorful salad of couscous and both traditional fish, salmon, in this case salmon caviar, and then a caviar in the style of El Bulli made of chive and dill water. The next garnish that goes in the plate is a very crispy piece of salmon skin. It's been lightly pan fried. And then the star of the dish is the salmon that's been cooked in a vacuum bag in a water bath, sous vide, with a sheet of cedar paper to help perfume the fish itself. And this will go right on top of the couscous salad there. Peel back some of this cedar paper. And we'll just take a couple very small slices of this cedar perfumed sous vide salmon. And one more. Okay, and then I've got a little small dollop of a traditional Spanish aioli. This one does use a little bit of egg to help emulsify. That'll go right over the salmon. And then lastly, just a small bit of air that is made with the juice of lemons that have been smoked with cedar and emulsified with some soy lecithin. And then the showstopper for this dish really goes in the bottom of this little bowl. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the cedar paper that we also used to smoke the lemon air and perfume the fish while it was cooking, light it, and very gently let it fill that bottom cavity with smoke. Here is my entry into the Sorcerer's Apprentice contest for a dish inspired by El Bulli. This is my version of cedar plank salmon. It's been cooked sous vide with a sheet of cedar paper. It sits on top of a bed of couscous, salmon caviar, and a caviar that's made with alginate and calcium. That's dill and chive water, and a little bit of asparagus fettuccine. The underside of the service piece here, you can see, is holding some smoke. This is from some of the burning cedar paper, and the idea is that when this is delivered to the table, the diner would pick up this top glass, and the cedar smoke would then perfume the dining experience, kind of giving you that campfire feel. So I'm going to dig in, and I hope you guys really enjoy the recipe and the video and the instructions, and thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.